Hey guys, it's Mark in the shop sporting my tie-dye shirt I made last weekend. But what we're going to be working on is the Hero5 Black that's in front of me that I do most of my recordings on. One of the issues with this is the sound quality. I've been doing some of the voiceovers on my computer to fix that. But one of the issues is this has 3 onboard mics. Problem with the housing is that housing that they give you covers 2 of those mics. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this unit on my drill press, and we're going to use a Dremel tool to try and open up 2 of those microphones. The third one's okay. The other 2 are covered completely by plastic, and I'll show you that. So we're going to try and drill holes in my plastic housing. Hopefully we don't destroy it. And we'll see how the quality is. We're going to put this GoPro right back in the same spot and see if it improves the quality of the sound at all. So stay with me and let's get this going. See you in a few minutes at the drill press, okay? Okay guys, here is my Hero5 Black. It is waterproof to 10 meters, about 33 feet, without an external housing. It has 3 microphones. One microphone is right here. One microphone is on the top. And one microphone is on the side. I'm going to show you, this is the housing they give you. And basically when you put this housing in, I'm not going to do it yet, but I'm going to show you real quick. When this is sitting in the housing, you can see how that microphone on the GoPro does not line up with the holes that are on the case, so it covers that microphone. Also on the top, you see that hole right there? That's the microphone. We put it in the case. That microphone you do not see. It is covered by this plastic. So we're going to mark on here where that is, and we're going to elongate that out. Probably going to do that one with the Dremel tool. This one I'm going to probably drill out with my drill press. The other mic is right here, and you can see the housing is cut out, and you can see that microphone, so it does record. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out. Make sure if you're going to try this, you take your GoPro out. Don't try and drill a hole with your GoPro in, because you will ruin your GoPro. So we're going to go over to the drill press. We're going to drill this out. On the drill press, we're going to use a slower speed because we're going through plastic. I'm going to put it with a clamp. Okay, so what I've done is I've put a couple of pieces of wood in here to give me a better grip on the case itself. I have marked where I want to drill the hole. I'm going to hold this very tightly so it doesn't want to grab. And we're going to see how this goes. I've got my drill press set on the slowest speed possible. And we're going to give this a try. Awesome. Didn't hit anything. We're going to see how that lines up. I got a little burr on the inside, which we can take off with an X-Acto knife. So you can see we've got a bigger hole. We're going to see how that lines up with the microphone. Hold on. Put that in there, and look at, we can see that microphone now. We didn't even have to take that portion out. We could take that out if I wanted to. Kind of open up the space a little bit more. Maybe we'll do that. We'll open that up a little bit more so it gives it more space around. That turned out well. We're going to leave it like that right now where the actual microphone is showing. Now we're doing the top. That went good. I'm going to move the clasp out of the way. Pressure going back and forth. And we've got a pretty good hole right there now. You can see it. I'm gonna put we'll take it out of here and we'll put the microphone in, or the GoPro in there, and see how it looks size-wise. So here's the hole I put in the top. So now we're going to put the GoPro in there. Trying to do this so I keep you guys on camera. I'm going to latch it up. And if you can see that, now we can see that microphone right there. Alright, so we're going to put it back on the holder and see how the quality, if it changed at all by opening up that port and opening up this one so we can see both of those. Let's go try it out. Hey guys, it's Mark in the shop sporting my tie-dye shirt I made last weekend. But what we're going to be working on is the Hero. Hey guys, we are done with that little project on this GoPro case. We're going to see if it improved the quality. I'm going to take this footage upstairs, put it on the computer and post it for you. I'll probably put a little clip from the beginnings, and we can hear it pretty close together. We'll see if opening up those microphones will help. What the GoPro does is it takes the 3 microphone recordings and kind of sees which one's the best and blends them together to produce the audio quality. And we're going to see how it turned out. Maybe it didn't do anything, I don't know. But I want to thank you for spending your time with me, and while we did this project, nothing crazy went bad. So hit the subscribe button, it's in one of these corners. It's my little face. I'd love to have you come back. We'll try some more projects together, and we'll see what happens. Once I get that external mic and hook it onto this GoPro, I'll bring that to you, and I know you're going to love that. I've seen this before and seen people put these external mics on. Turns out beautiful. The sound is 1,000 times better. So thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.